Take a look at today's makeup. It's pretty cute. Is it that kind of depressed kitten feeling? Especially this eyeball today. I think it's a stroke of genius. Very eye-catching. It just so happens that I recorded a total of 3 in this series. Each has its own beauty. Let's taste it together today. First of all, except for the eyes. This aquamarine is really beautiful. I got hit hard in the first game. His eyes are really invincible and hydrated. No matter what angle you look at it from, it's all this gold. Hidden glass bead texture eye bags. The whole makeup is brightened. Compare it. These otherwise unremarkable eyes. After wearing it, the clarity is directly filled, and it's still a small black ring. Do you match it with blue fixed axis highlights? It will be more colorful than the ordinary pure blue flower, natural faucets. It belongs to your daily belle and it will not be at all. The bold one. Can you match this Buddhist blue dragon costume at will? Or depressing mixed race makeup? It is the existence that injects soul into the makeup. It's a really beautiful one. In fact, this one is called the Tea Golden Pot. I also like it very much. Just look at the comparison. This eye instantly got bigger. Did he say warm tea brown? With fixed axis highlights on the fundus. It is natural to be caught by the eyes. Modified round. Particularly unsolvable. After this, the transparency is really invincible. Gold-sucking but dull and comfortable. The more you look at it, the more comfortable it is. Although its color is not as good as the first time. Eye-catching, but now it's durable and versatile. Like today's makeup, is it a preference for Wang induction? It will be inexplicable if you wear it. Exquisite and expensive air cushions just look good every day. The existence of taking pictures is very photogenic. I mean, people wanted to try that little mixed snowflake. I have always been afraid of not being able to control this. Moonlight refrigerator. I think it was tailor-made for you. This one doesn't need to be matched with a very complicated makeup. Just sitting quietly in the eyes. Super careful existence. Silver gray gradual change with eyeshadow. A touch of cold highlights made this look instantly become. The water is foggy, big eyes, and super recognizable at the same time. Like me, the same color is actually a little lighter, but he's not talking about 800 displays here. And if the eyes are more focused, there must be a god. If you wear that brown or black style every day. Sister, I want to find a suit that is not boring. It's pretty special up there and that's it. And be sure to say it's these 3. They are all fixed axes. I've tried it all. No matter how you blink. The highlighted words are firmly locked in the bottom of the eye. Now, as long as it almost suits you. It's not that it's tiring after a long time. Overall, it is well worth buying 3 volts.